How to create Halloween pumpkin in Blender. Add a sphere, change segments to 16 and rings to 8. Go to edit mode and turn on proportional editing. Select two opposite vertices and scale them on the z-axis. Shade it smooth and next select every second loop by holding Shift plus Alt. Scale it a bit. Add bevel with 3 segments and subdivide by pressing Ctrl plus 2. Now select the top part and press P, separate selection. Add solidify to the main pumpkin and set thickness to 0.04. Do the same for the top. Apply solidify and add bevel on the corners. Now add a path curve and place it on the top. Add another circle curve, go to edit mode, subdivide it and select every second handle and scale it. Now go back to the second curve, go to curve settings and set geometry. Pick the first curve and enable fill caps. Then in edit mode press Alt plus S to adjust the curve thickness. You can get a free pumpkin model from this video on my Gumroad. Link in the description. To create the pumpkin face and animate it, add a plane, delete all vertices except one, press E to extrude shape for the face and eyes. To merge vertices, select 2 points and press M at center. You can duplicate the first eye and scale it -1 to mirror it. Select areas and fill them. Now separate the eyes by pressing P, separate selection. Extrude the shape and place them on the pumpkin. Now use a boolean to curve shapes for face. For this I'm using free Bull Tool add-on. Let me know in comments if you want a tutorial. For eyes animation, add keyframes to this scale, from 0.01 to normal size. Copy the animation as many times as you want. Same idea works for the mouth. Add a point light inside your mesh, enable bloom and it's done. Follow for more. Thanks for watching and see you soon.